Tired of late fees and confused about paying your Halifax credit card? Let's break down the simplest ways to keep your account healthy in just 90 seconds. First, online banking. The most popular method. Log into your Halifax online banking account. You'll need your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to your credit card account summary, then look for the option to transfer funds or make a payment. Click on that. Now, you'll see a payment form. Select the Halifax current account you want to pay from. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Remember, paying more than the minimum can save you interest in the long run. Choose the payment date. It's best to schedule payments a few days before the actual due date to allow time for processing. Double-check all the details and confirm the transfer. Prefer to automate things? Set up a direct debit. Open the Halifax mobile app or website. Look for the direct debit option within your credit card settings. You can choose to pay the minimum amount, a fixed amount, or the full balance each month. Full balance is the best option to avoid interest charges completely. Once you've chosen your option, confirm the setup. While less common, you can also pay by check. Make it payable to Halifax and write your credit card number on the back. Mail it to the address on your statement. Be sure to mail it well in advance of the due date. And that's it. Paying your Halifax credit card is straightforward. Choose the method that suits you best, and remember, timely payments are key to maintaining a healthy credit score.